everyone, this is CMJ Explorations and we are going to see today about how to set keyboard sound on desktop. So let's move on. At first, open your web page and search for Mechvibes. Link is also available in description and also click on to download. If you are using Windows 7 or later, click on to 64-bit version only. Or if you are using Mac, click on to 64-bit Mac OS version only. So after clicking, the file will be automatically downloaded. So after downloading the file, you can open the file. After opening the file, the installation process will be automatically done. So after installing, you can open the app. It will ask you for a certain agreements. Read carefully and click agree to it. Open the app. After opening the app, you can choose your sound type as you like. You can choose the volume also. And you can stop it anytime by clicking this logo on the system tray and clicking quit. If you click quit, the app will be exited. So this is the end of our video. Please like, share and subscribe. And don't forget to leave comments on the comment section. Thank you.